Welcome back, guys. Now we're going to be doing practical electricity question 10 paper 25054. Let's start. This is a fairly small question, only two parts, and it's probably going to take only 2 minutes. A boiler containing water is plugged into a 230-volt main supply. The heater in the boiler is operating at full power. The power used by the heater is 2.8 kilowatts. Calculate the current in the heater. So आपके दिमाग में current वोल्टेज और पावर को कौन सा फॉर्मूला रिलेट करता है? It is obviously gonna be the formula P is equals to VI. It is gonna be the formula P is equals to VI. We're gonna put 2800 as the power. Voltage 230 है हमारे पास, into I हमने निकालना है. So 2800 divided by 230 will give us the answer, right? So that is gonna be 12 amperes will be the answer. As simple as that. आगे चलते हैं. The wiring in the cable from the socket and the boiler remains safe and does not overheat, provided that the current is less than 12 amperes. Suggest a suitable fuse rating for the circuit. So it could be less than 20 amperes and more than 12 amperes. Let's check. So 10. So it should be more than 10 or less than 20. ठीक है ना? So any integral value between those values. ठीक है ना? So that is gonna be the answer, and that is gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.